i3 is a new generation automobile. This car has got an electrician motor. Bizim isimlerimiz falan var değil mi? Product BMW i3. This car, new generation of automobile. This car has got an electric motor, least energy consumption, zero emission, environment friendly. This car 160 range.
Devam, gayet iyi.
Ben heyecan yapıyorum da toplumda böyle konuşurken bir de stres altındayım şu an. Charging port. İzmir has got a this production kültür parkı, İzmir Kültür Parkı'nda, fuar alanında var hocam o charging portlar. Şimdi biz bu lansmanı Sasalı'da yapacağız. Sasalı Doğal Yaşam Parkı, Natural Place of İzmir, 4 kilometer range. Route 4 kilometer driving experience of BMW H4 years. Takes 10 minutes.
Devam
Hocam bu çevreyi Türkçe anlatsam sorun olur mu?
Yok, devam edin.
Çevreyi koruma amaçlı yapılan bir otomobil. Artık yeni nesilde genellikle elektrik tercih ediliyor. Ve bu araba yine kullanırken siz devam etsiniz arkadaşlar ya. Ben çok şey yaptım böyle. Evet, stres yaptım.
Biz burada alalım isterseniz drive'ı. Derste bahsettiğiniz üzere drive'dan bahsedeceğiz öncelikle. Özür dilerim, ben konuyu çalışmamışım, buradan okuyarak anlatıyorum devamında. Define the campaign and event objectives. First of the word of D. Event objective is the refined urban mobility. That's the automobile which works electricity, and this is provides zero emission to the environment. So this is our event objective to express this autonomy to the customers. Secondly, search and develop the vision of events. We search the area, Sasalı Doğal Yaşam Parkı. This is natural place for the electricity vehicle and zero emission technology. This is 4 kilometer test drive circuits. And innovative, create and customized experience, touch and feel, the third one. We make BMW pins to the customers, we will give them and they will carry on their chests in this activity, during this activity. Visualize the event step by step. This is the understand and realize part. First, we search how this event is made before, then we organize the event and made our preparations before the international events, as we see. And execute the event with detailed precision and timing. We expect total number of 200 customers. It will take 4 hours and it will be 25 of June in summer day. My friend Burak will continue.
And now I will talk about guests. And our guest will be current customer of BMW, potential customer of BMW, members of Asian Chambers of Industry, and members of İzmir Chambers of Commerce. And now, our organization includes 5 BMW i3 for test driving, 1 BMW i8 and BMW i3 stand for exhibition, music, food and beverages, and total 800 kilometers, 200 guests, and takes 3 hours. Model of BMW are souvenirs for guests and like a toy. And shelters for restoration of guests, desk, bistro chairs for eating, and a restroom for the needs of our guests. And there will be 7 sales advisor will be for test driving and giving information about car to guests. And there are 2 sections for expected 200 customers. They will divide it into two groups. And we also we contracted G Catering for food and beverages. And they present meatball, chips, snacks, cream free and non-alcoholic drink. And also make toothpicks with little BMW logo flag, which is printing glasses and plates.
I'll continue from the time chart. As we try to explain, this is a special event for the customers, for the BMW i3, and we divided the time into 3 weeks before it starts. Here you can see before the event ends after the event. Before 3 weeks, we will define the location, routes, and tools we will decide to use in the event. Then, before 2 weeks, we will send the invitation letters to the customers. And we will write it on them, please respond us which section, because there are 2 sections. There are 2 sections. And choose the one of them to planning. And before 1 week, we will call them if they don't return us, whether they come or not. Before 5 days, we will check the route and location. We will control it. And 1 day before, we will send the tools into the place, the area, the parking lots. Before 3 hours the events, we will call the catering and music firm. They will start the place and cook the foods and music. Before 2 hours, automobiles will be checked and controlled whether there is a problem or not by the technicians. Before 1 hour, entrance of location will be opened for the customers. Before 1 hour, catering and music will begin the operation. Ambulance will be ready for the emergency situations. And during 4 hours, it will be test drives into 2 sections by 100 customers, and the second to 100 customers. And during the test drives, there will be music and catering film will servicing too. And after test drives, it's in the 5th hour. Autonomous will be loaded to trucks, and the load-out process for all the things, materials in the fields will be carrying, and catering and music firm will leave the area. And after 7 hours, the cleaning of the area will begin by our staff. And the second thing is outsource activities. Because of this is a special event, we let them do some things to the professionals to don't in a hard situations, don't be in a hard situations. So we will call the catering company, musician, electrician, restrooms, ambulance and transportation of vehicles situations into the professionals. We will call them to do that.